The power of your imagination is not simply a fleeting thought or casual fantasy. It is a sacred gift, a divine spark that connects you directly to God. Every time you close your eyes and envision a world beyond what your senses tell you, you are interacting with the limitless creative force that lies within you. This isn't a trivial exercise, it is the very act of creation itself. History's greatest transformations began in the minds of those who dared to dream. They saw what others could not, trusted in what seemed impossible, and moved forward with faith until the unseen became reality. This power of imagination resides in all of us, a divine power that, when combined with faith and action, brings dreams to life. Through imagination, God speaks to you. It is not just a tool for creativity, but a divine language that nudges you toward your highest potential. In those moments of vision when you transcend the limitations of logic and material reality, you are tapping into the infinite. This is the divine force that connects you to God's unending possibility. When you use your imagination intentionally, you align with God's will. You aren't just imagining a better world, you are planting the seeds for it within your consciousness. With unwavering focus, repetition, and faith, these seeds will take root and grow, manifesting into your physical world. Never underestimate the power of imagination. It is an active force that shapes your reality one thought at a time. You hold the divine power to change your circumstances, heal emotional wounds, and create a life that mirrors your highest desires. This divine gift often lies dormant, waiting for you to awaken it. The awareness you bring to your life is the foundation of creation. It is the light that illuminates your path and the lens through which you perceive the world. Every experience you encounter passes through your awareness, and it is through your conscious awareness that you give life to what you focus on. In every moment, you are the creator of your reality, using the power of attention to shape the world around you. When you focus on scarcity, fear, or limitation, those things expand in your life, crowding out joy and possibility. However, when you shift your focus toward love, abundance, and hope, you open the door to a world that reflects these very qualities. Your life is a reflection of where your attention has consistently gone. Conscious awareness is not merely the act of observing, it is the act of choosing. By consciously deciding where to place your focus, you hold the key to transforming your experience. What you choose to believe, feel, and focus on becomes your truth. This awareness connects you to the divine, to God's creative force. When you align your thoughts and emotions with your desires, you activate this power within. Faith is the bridge between the unseen and the seen. It is the unwavering belief in what you cannot yet see, the deep conviction that what you imagine and believe will come to pass, even when the evidence in the physical world suggests otherwise. Faith is not bound by reason, it transcends logic and taps into the infinite realm of possibility, where all things are possible with God. Reason, constrained by the limitations of the senses and past experiences, cannot comprehend the full scope of God's creation. But faith operates in the realm of the invisible, the realm where everything begins. True faith does not waver in the face of delay or contradiction. It is the conviction that what you have assumed is true will come to pass. This is the essence of faith, to stand firm in your inner knowing, regardless of outward appearances. Faith sustains the assumption of your desire already fulfilled, empowering you to take consistent action toward that fulfillment. Faith is not mere belief, it is the divine force that propels you into action, aligning your thoughts, words, and actions with the life you wish to create. Through faith, your imagination is energized, and your desires begin to take shape in the world around you. The power of assumption is a divine principle. What you assume to be true in your mind with conviction and belief eventually manifests in your reality. Assumption is not a passive act, but an active, deliberate choice where you step into the feeling of your desire fulfilled. When you live as though your wish is already granted, you activate the divine forces that work behind the scenes to bring it to fruition. Your assumptions form the blueprint for your life, shaping every event and experience. If you assume abundance, success, and love, these things will flow to you naturally. If you assume lack or limitation, that is what you will experience. To truly harness the power of assumption, you must not merely think about what you want. You must feel it as if it is already yours. This emotional alignment creates a vibrational match between your inner state and the reality you desire. Assumption bypasses the need for external validation or logical reasoning. God responds not to what you want, but to what you truly believe you already have. When you persist in the assumption of your desired state, it solidifies into fact, reshaping the events of your life to align with your inner beliefs. The dialogue within your mind is more than mere thoughts. It is the continuous creative act that shapes your life. Your inner conversation, the way you speak to yourself about who you are and what you are capable of, sets the tone for your external reality. Every thought, every word you speak to yourself, plants seeds in the fertile soil of your subconscious mind. Your outer world will reflect your inner conversation. Speak to yourself with love, faith, and confidence, and the world will mirror that back to you. Your inner dialogue has the power to uplift or limit you. It shapes your relationships, opportunities, and experiences. If you engage in self-talk filled with doubt or fear, you will find those experiences mirrored in your life. But when you choose affirmations of faith, success, and love, you attract those same qualities into your life. The key is persistence. By consciously guiding your inner conversation toward your desires, you begin to align with the life you are creating. Your inner dialogue not only influences how you perceive the world, it affects how others perceive and interact with you. Creation begins in the unseen world of thoughts, feelings, and beliefs. The life you live today is the result of the seeds you planted in your mind yesterday. Before anything appears in your external reality, it first exists as a thought, a vision, a desire. This is the divine process of creation. To imagine what you wish to experience and nurture it with focused attention and feeling. Your thoughts are seeds, and your feelings are the nourishment that makes them grow. Every thought carries creative power, and every feeling gives life to those thoughts. To manifest the life you desire, you must first align your inner world with the external world you wish to create. If you wish for abundance, you must first feel abundant within. If you desire love, you must embody the feeling of being loved. Your inner world is the cause, your outer world is the effect. Master your inner world, and you become the creator of your reality. The law of feeling governs the process of creation. What you deeply feel to be true will become your reality. Feeling is not just emotion. It is the energy that links your inner desires with their external manifestation. Without feeling, thoughts remain dormant. When you infuse a thought with powerful, sustained feeling, it becomes a directive to your subconscious mind, setting the creative forces of God into motion. In the silence and stillness of your mind, you connect with God's divine creative power. It is in these moments of quiet, free from the noise of external distractions, that you align with the source of all creation. In the stillness, clarity is found, inspiration flows, and transformation takes root.